Hello, welcome in. We are solving GATE 2025 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 6 is two designs A and B shown in the figure are proposed for a thin walled closed section that is expected to carry only torque. Both A and B have a semicircular nose and are made of the same material with a wall thickness of 1 mm with strength as the only criteria for failure. The ratio of maximum torque that B can support to maximum torque that A can support is dash, rounded off to 2 decibel. So this is design A and this is design B. Now we have to calculate the ratio of torque carried by B to torque carried by A. So the general formula for calculating torque when the stress is the main criteria is T is equal to 2Ka, where K is tau into T. Tau is the shear stress. As thickness is constant, so it will remain same because K is a constant quantity. Tau will remain same, that will be equal to maximum shear stress. Okay. So tau is the maximum shear stress, the thickness, and A here is area enclosed by mean circumference. So for design A, the area is area of this rectangle plus area of this semicircle. So this is the circumference and area enclosed by the circumference is 4 into 2 plus pi r square. Okay. Pi r square by 2 for semicircle. So that is the area. So T is 2 into K or tau into T, bracket 4 into plus pi r square by 2. Similarly for B, the area will vary, tau and T will remain same because thickness is same and maximum shear stress is same. So we will take the area will be this 4 into 2 plus area of this triangle plus area of this semicircle. That will be here 4 into 2, which is same, pi r square by 2, that is same. Extra thing is here triangle, that is 2 into 2 by 2. Height of the triangle is here 2 and width or base of the triangle is also 2, so it is 2 into 2 by 2. Okay, so from this we can calculate TA by TB. So this will be 8 plus pi by 2 divided by 10 plus pi by 2, or we can say TB by TA is the reverse of it. 10 plus pi by 2 divided by 8 plus pi by 2, it is 11.57 divided by 9.57, that is 1.2089 is the answer.